did you know?
See yourself that is looking straight. Nice.
But,
There's so many other bodies.
huh?
There's so many. I can't even count.
Do you move?
I
Bakit? Bella, what happened to my head?
There's a bunch of flies
Huh?
spinning around.
How did it happen?
I don't know.
I also used your shampoo this morning.
So,
Huh? And soap as well.
the mirror?
Yeah.
Right.
What? What's the reason behind? Huh? What? Can you remove it?
I'm in tree.
Hey? How did it happen?
I don't know.
Huh? What's the reason behind?
They like your smell.
Uy! I used the shampoo you used this morning.
I think you put too little.
Come here. What?
You put too little.
No, I put too many.
No, I think that's why.
No, not that much. What are you eating?
Jelly.
Jellyfish?
No.
Remember nagalit kahapon yung yung lifeguard sa'yo. Sabi mo,
I like you.
can't hear.
Yeah.
What happened?
Yes.
What happened ka? Ano nangyari? Ha?
Sa kanya?
Hindi, yung sa inyo daw. Pinento niya sa akin kanina sa duty free.
Hindi naman nag-yell sa atin.
Hindi naman pala nag-yell eh.
I don't know.
Then what happened?
I don't know. Ano na yan?
Ha?
Teka lang. Wait lang, baby. Wait lang, baby.
Bella, binibidyoan kita. You don't know? Ha? You know? How? How did you know?
I see yourself that is looking straight.
Ay,